What are the potential causes of weakness in a patient receiving immune checkpoint inhibitor therapy? And what should patients be on the lookout for? So this is really interesting because this is such a vague symptom, weakness. It can also include fatigue. So what's most important is you, the patient, needs to be communicating with us. So if you feel differently, okay, so what does that mean? You wake up in the morning not rested. You wake up in the morning and you need assistance or you're slower. So for instance, what has changed in the last week that you were able to do that you're not able to do this week? I'm just slower in showering. I'm feeling more winded. I'm not motivated to get dressed or fix breakfast, those types of things. Everything is taking longer and slower. The other thing is, are there any other changes with changing position from sitting to standing? Do you feel winded from walking from the car to the parking lot? These types of things. And there's a multitude of reasons for this. It could be something simple, such as dehydration. There could be anemia. So these are things that we can identify on a blood test. But there also could be other things, such as endocrine changes, because we know with ICI therapy, side effects are different than with regular chemotherapy, where there could be inflammation. So there could be a change in your thyroid. There could be a change in your pituitary gland. So these subtle symptoms of weakness and fatigue could be due to a hormonal or glandular change. And so it's really important to call us, so that the first thing that we can do is run some blood tests. And then we can intervene based on what we find. So any change in your activity level that you were doing yesterday or a week ago that you're not able to do today. So that's really important. And it can be very subtle things, from dressing to walking to going to work. So the most important thing I want you to remember is to communicate with us, your healthcare team, so that we can intervene and see if we can make these things better for you.